When it comes to cancers, women have to be vigilant about what is going on with their bodies. Amidst the most common forms of the malady is that of breast cancer. While it claims thousands of lives annually, it can be detected early, treated, and in many instances completely eradicated. Women today should be aware of how to detect for these cells, as there are some ways to figure out whether or not something is awry. Aside from that, a little bit of prevention may help keep cancerous cells from forming, and can help with healing down the line. Self-testing. The first thing that women can do is focus on self-testing. This is a solution that involves pushing and feeling the breast tissue all over. The goal is to press against the tissue to feel for lumps or cells that seem compacted. Even a small lump can be something to deal with. When this is found, do not wait to see a specialist, as it could very well be something to worry about. A doctor can focus on whether or not this is an impacted duct, or it's a growth. In most cases, women that test themselves don't have cancer. So don't panic if you feel something. Get a mammogram. You can test yourself, or have a partner feel for changes. However, if that doesn't yield results, and you're older than 35, it's time to see a specialist. Going to a doctor to get a mammogram may seem irksome, but it's absolutely important. These tests are done by experts and they look through the tissue of the breasts to figure out what is going on, if anything. In most instances, tests come back negative. If there's anything, a biopsy can be done, and can rule out the disease. Now, if it is malignant, don't panic. There are paths to treat this early and fast. While some are extreme, others are not. This depends on early detection, genetics, treatment, and more. An ounce of prevention. When it comes to preventing cancer, there are a few things that you can do to fight back. While it's imperative not to miss doctor's appointments, self-test, and know your body, there are other things that you can do to help prevent the issue from occurring. While these aren't cures, they have been shown to lower risks of ever forming the issue. These things include the following tips and tricks. Losing weight and managing eating habits have been shown to help improve overall health. Cardiovascular circulation, breathing, and tissue normality. Being physically active can help with improving oxygen-rich blood flow, as well as ensuring that cell mutations do not occur as often. Avoiding vices like drinking excessively and smoking are also important to consider. Knowing your family history, avoiding certain prescription medications, and lethargy are also helpful in prevention. At the end of the day, the best thing that you can do is simple. Maintain a healthy routine. If nothing else, staving off cancers is a matter of chasing good health and getting regular checkups with your doctor, just in case.